Hello, how's it going, guys? Here is how you can win free $500. This is the first giveaway of Dr. Crypto community. If you follow all the steps, it would be very easy, and your chances of winning these free $500 would be maximized because most of the guys who are watching this video won't complete all the steps. But if you follow all the steps, believe me, your chances of winning these $500 would be maximized. This is the easiest and simplest way of making money. If you do not trade, just follow the steps, you can win these $500 for free. Okay, so let's get started into the video and discuss what are the steps in order to take part inside these $500 giveaway. The winner of this $500 giveaway will be announced on 20th of July inside my Twitter as well Telegram. Make sure to check out that also. The links will be in the video description. First of all, these are the steps in order to participate. Okay, so step number 1, create your new Bitget account with my referral link. This link would be in the video description. Make sure you make your new and fresh account with my referral link. Okay, if you are using your account that's already existing, that won't be counted and you won't be counted to take part inside the free $500 giveaway. Okay, so once you click the link in the video description, you will be popped up towards the windows like this. You have to create your new Bitget account with either email or mobile. Just sign up. It's non-KYC. You can deposit and withdraw without doing even KYC verification. Okay, so write your email, blah blah blah, and type your password. Make sure that referral code is 1K40. If you click the link with my in the video description, you don't want to confirm this. It's already like this 1K40. Okay. So once you are done with this, just create your account, and the next step you have to do is create your account and now deposit minimum $100 and trade actively for 3 days. Okay, today is 16th of July. The winner will be announced on 20th of July. This means you have 3 days to trade actively on Bitget account. Okay, on your Bitget platform. So the more you deposit, the minimum for this taking part inside $500 giveaway is $100, but the more you deposit, the more you trade actively, your winning chances just will be increased. Okay, so you have to deposit minimum $100, but if you deposit more than $100, like $500 or $1,000 or even $5,000, your chances of winning the $500 giveaway will be maximized. Okay, so make sure you create your account with my referral link as well. Deposit, because those traders, we have currently 119 signups, and out of these 119 signups, there are most of traders who are not trading actively and who do not deposit yet. Okay, so these UIDs won't be counted to take part inside this giveaway. Okay, so we will send you your $500 into your this UID. You have to just confirm that your UID is blah blah blah. Okay, so winner will be announced on 20th of July inside my Twitter as well Telegram. So make sure to follow me inside either my Twitter or either on my Telegram. Okay, so now lots of these traders are not deposited or they are not trading actively, so these accounts won't be counted to take part inside the giveaway. Okay, so those accounts who have deposited and who are trading actively will be counted to take part inside a $500 giveaway, and the winner will be chosen randomly from any one of these UIDs. Okay, so that's enough for today. This is the simplest method you can make money if you do not like trading actively. Okay, just trade actively for 3 days. The more you deposit, the more are your chances of winning this free $500. That's enough for today. Make sure to subscribe my YouTube channel for further giveaways and follow me on Twitter as well. Join my Telegram for free trading signals. Thanks for watching.